Okay, there's another issue. Alright, I got that out right there. Okay, but I've seen people do this, getting this uh, pickup tube. How in the hell they did, I don't know. But there's a bolt back here, it's 13 millimeter, and you got a nut, and then you got a 13 millimeter here, and then that's the 10 millimeter, and that pipe goes up inside this right here. And of course, you know, we're on this crankshaft right here. So they're either bending their pipe or something. I don't know. But I'm not bending mine. I'll take my pipe out, just lay it down, and then slide that off. That's the best way to do it. But I've seen people do it without taking the oil pan off and all that. And the only thing I can say, guys, is they're probably going to have issues at some point. No, thank you. So I'm gonna get this oil pump off here, and then we'll rotate the motor around and get it in time, and then we'll take the timing chain and gears, swap it all out. Peace.